pleasure to extend a warm welcome to each one of you in this beautiful and pleasant afternoon. So wish you all also a very pleasant good afternoon. And a warm welcome, a special welcome to our chief guest present with us, ladies and gentlemen, someone who is known as an ad guru, someone who has created brands, made brands and stars. So it's a pleasure to have Mr. Prahlad Kakkar with us, and ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending him a very hearty welcome as he joins us to present these awards today. Thank you so very much, sir. And a warm welcome to all our special invitees also present with us. And all the winners, ladies and gentlemen, you are in fact the stars of this afternoon as we present the Brands Academy Real Estate Awards for the year 2012. Please join me as I invite now our chief guest, Mr. Prahlad Kakkar.
I'm very honored to be here.
And ladies and gentlemen, the next category which we talk about, usually when we're talking about a real estate sector, we are talking about the best developer and architects. But this is going to be very exciting and a very new kind of category which is looking into education and training. And this is the Best Real Estate Home Loan Education and Training Institute. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner in this category is the Institute of Real Estate and Finance, IREF. IREF's motto is not only to provide real estate education and skill training, but simultaneously to create an ecosystem for students and real estate sector companies to make real estate a platform for serious career options. We have...
See, this is what it is. When you break the mold, when you go into new areas of functioning, more professional, more transparent, and where you are so consumer friendly that they have start getting faith in the industry again. And these guys need a really special hand for having actually started that whole process. It's going to go a long way. Congratulations.
We have Mr. Surajit Nandi, the CEO, and Mr. Abhay Kumar, the Managing Director, receiving the award.
Hello. I will not take much of your time. Institute of Real Estate Finance is, I think, the only platform for young students to join real estate sector. I'll just give you my background. I'm a pass out from a good MBA B school. When I joined a developer, my people used to say, "What? You joined a developer? Why you don't join a big IT company? Why you do not join a big consulting company?" Still in India, as a student, nobody wants to join real estate industry first. Second, even if they want to join, they don't have any platform to join and do anything in real estate industry. Third, we all here sitting together to elevate our standard. And how can we elevate our standard without having education as a base? Now, we are very young company, 2-year-old company. We started, we are based out of Pune. 1 year back, we started developing concept, talking to developers, taking content from them. And people have really encouraged us, and we are planning to open this nodal center across India wherever there's a demand. But I like real estate developers, real estate companies to help us to increase the standard of real estate industry. If you don't get good people, if you don't get real entrepreneurs, I don't think we can able to go ahead. So this is a small step, and I hope you guys support us.
Thank you, and we really hope that, and we know that your institution is doing a good job, good work, making this industry move from an unorganized stage to an organized one, extending skills and training and creating professionals. Thank you.